Bobcat's been known as a leader in the compact equipment industry for years now. But on today's larger job sites, sometimes compact isn't quite big enough. Bobcat heard and listened. Now unveiling in 2020, Bobcat E145, the newest and largest excavator in Bobcat's lineup. I'm looking for with Crownstone equipment. Let's check this beast out. This 35,000-pound machine comes standard with a 115 horsepower Perkins turbo diesel, as well as an enclosed cab, heat and air conditioning. Our machine today is shown with the optional dozer blade, hydraulic thumb, and pin grabber, as well as the steel tracks. You can also get rubber pads to make it street legal. Don't let the size of this machine fool you. Like other excavators in Bobcat's lineup, it was designed with a reduced tail swing. This allows operators to be more maneuverable in tighter spaces. The cab of this machine was designed for efficiency and simplicity. Upon entering, you're greeted by a cloth suspension seat, heat and air conditioning, and a digital display. This display offers many desirable features to operators, such as monitoring your gauges, the ability to switch between work and power modes, and monitoring your cameras. As you can see, Bobcat has big things in store for 2020. To truly experience the size and dexterity of this machine, feel free to visit us at any of our convenient locations. This is Logan Ford with Crownstone Equipment. Thanks for watching. Happy operating.